we need to remember the distance formula for this problem, and to find the distance between any 2 points, x, y, and xy, what we need to do is make a giant square root, and we take our two x values and we subtract them, and then square them, square that number, and add it to the same thing with our y's. Subtract our y's, we get a single number, and then we square it. So we have some radical in this problem. So let's plug in. Point P, the x-coordinate is -2. And in our other point, Q, the x-coordinate's 2. So we subtracted -2 minus 2. Then we're going to add that to subtracting our y's. Our y values are 2 and 0. So we just plug in. The first thing we want to do in order of operations is make single numbers out of these parentheses. So that's a -4, and then that's being squared, and then this is a 2, and that's being squared. And that's going to lead to always positive numbers. -4 squared gives us 16, and 2 squared gives us 4. So we really have the square root of 20. Now you'll notice that this is not an answer choice. And if you're bad with radicals, what you can do is just plug this into your calculator, square root of 20, and you'll get a value. It's going to be between 4 and 5. And then you can see that A, D, and E are not the right choices. And so you can plug choices B and C into your calculator. 2 times radical 5 and 4 times radical 5. And you can see which one matches up to the decimal approximation you got for radical 20. If you are good with radicals, or remember how to break them down, we can take rad 20, and then since 20 is not a perfect square, we have to break it down. The biggest perfect square factor that fits into 20 is actually 4. So we break it down into radical 4 times radical 5, and radical 4 is actually 2, that's why we chose it, and then radical 5 stays as is. So our answer is 2 radical 5, B.